Hello friends, happy Monday morning. I'm Lisa, this is Marvin, and we are here today to show you how to make some floating drawings. That's right, some drawings that will float on water. I'm very excited about it, and so is Marvin. You will only need 3 materials, that's it. 3 things to make these exciting floating drawings. You will need a glass or ceramic plate. Now, they need to be ceramic because if you use plastic, it won't work. So make sure you have a ceramic plate. You will also need some dry erase markers. Make sure they are the dry erase markers, not the permanent ones. The permanent ones will stay on your plate and your adult won't like that. So make sure you have some dry erase expo markers. And the last thing you will need is just a cup of water at room temperature. That's all you need to make floating drawings. So Marvin, I'm going to put you on the side so you don't get all wet, okay? All right, so I'm putting Marvin on the side so he is safe. Let me show you what you need to do. I have learned a few tricks when I'm doing this. I have learned that if you press too hard on your ceramic plate, it won't work. So you want to lightly draw whatever it is you want on your plate. So I'm just going to draw some hearts for you. So I'm going to draw them, and then I'm going to lightly color them. So here's one heart. Two. So my hearts are done. So I'm going to put the cap back on my dry erase expo marker. And the next thing I need to do is I need to gently pour my water onto my plate. So I'm just going to gently pour my water onto my plate. Gently, gently. Oh my goodness gracious. Can you see this, friends? Can you see that my hearts are moving around? Can you see them moving? Now, I have learned that it works best if you make small drawings. So let's make some stars and pretend it's in the night sky. So I'm going to make some stars on my plate. See what happens when I add some water. They're floating, friends. I have some floating stars in the sky. Boys and girls, Marvin and I hope you enjoyed making floating drawings with us. Remember, when you draw, make sure you press lightly on the plate. Also, I've learned that the red expo marker, for whatever reason, the red expo marker seems to work very well on ceramic plates. Please remember to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn for more fun GrapeSEED activities. Marvin and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.